Sometimes you might think that watching videos is a waste of time, but not anymore guys. I did some research and came across this website that actually pays you to watch free videos online. So now you don't have to feel guilty for spending hours with your phone or computer watching those videos, since you'll be paid to do that. So it's not a waste of time whatsoever. In fact, you can get paid up to $3 per each video you watch. 10 videos will be $30, 100 videos will be $300, and so on and so forth. So from today, you can be anywhere spending time with your family, enjoying new food, relax at the beach, travel around the world just like I do, or even lay on your bed. Just hit the play button and let those videos play and do whatever you want and make money for absolutely free. But before I explain you exactly how to do it, make sure to like this video, leave a thumbs up so we can hit 1000 likes in this one, and do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon, and I'll notify you whenever I have a brand new strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and make the most of it. And now let's start the tutorial guys. Don't skip a second, okay? This is gonna be interesting guys. You have to come over to adwallet.com, and here at AdWallet, get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. So obviously they are not gonna be those boring videos. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3 plus unlock exclusive offers. So let's see how it works. Earn real money from your favorite brands. Watch a video. So you'll receive a text when it's time to log into your account and start watching a short video. Those are handpicked just for you guys. So you'll get a notification when there's a video available for you and get rewarded. Earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 per video interaction. So you'll get a text notifying there's a video available for you to watch. In fact, there will be more videos available for you to watch, and as I told you earlier, you don't have to watch them, to be honest. Just let them play in the background, or you can do something else. You can use your phone for this as well. Make more money. Earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer, plus download offers from brands you love. So they have a referral program as well. When you get someone to sign up to this platform, you'll earn $1. So share my video and let your friends join this platform, and they even can do the referrals as well. Your friends can do referrals to their friends. You all can make money. So I'm not giving you my referral link. As always, you can send my video to your friends with your referral link, and then when you reach $10, you can cash out. No cash gimmicks or confusing point systems. It's real cash guys. You can see the payment options from here. It's easy to get paid to watch video ads and complete online surveys. Now personally, I don't like completing online surveys by myself because it takes some time. You need to be honest when you fill a survey, so it doesn't pay that much of money for that much of time. As I told you earlier, you don't have to actually watch them. Just play it in the background, do something else. In fact, you can play it in the background and do something else to make money online. I guess you have watched most of my videos, so you can do those. We offer 3 ways to get paid. Choose the one that is best for you. So they pay cash, to your card, gift cards, and donations. So there are 3 ways of getting paid. This in case they transfer to your card or your bank account. And you can scroll through these videos and see the people just like you who love AdWallet. So they don't expect you to take their word for it. See what their community says about them. Go through that and see these brands spent $250 billion last year to get your attention. And there are some FAQs as well. This is important. Is the content of the ads reviewed? They review the content. Yes, all of the content that advertisers upload is reviewed by our team at AdWallet before it's allowed to be sent to our users. So you don't have to worry about it. And how can I cash out the money I've earned? Sweet. If you are ready to cash out, that means you have earned at least $10 in your AdWallet for paying attention. Congrats, cashing out is easy. Simply tap on the redeem button at the bottom of your AdWallet account. Choose from over 200 gift cards from American top brands, a MasterCard prepaid card that can be used wherever MasterCard is accepted, or even donate your funds to a non-profit. And is there any age requirements to sign up? Yes, you must be 13 years old to sign up for an AdWallet account and register with an active cell phone number and verified email address. I guess you all have it and you are above 13 years old. And you can see the advertisers on AdWallet. Most probably you'll watch videos from these kind of top level companies like Corona, Airbnb, Southwest, Supercards, New Mexico, Purple, Heaven Life, and so on. And in order to get started, you have to scroll all the way up. But wait, see this, cash and rewards paid out to people just like you in our first 12 months. So you have to come all the way up and hit the sign up button to sign up and complete the simple form and sign up to this adwallet.com and give a valid email and your mobile number and start making money. But before that, I highly recommend you to watch this 45-second video. They'll explain about AdWallet within this 45 seconds. I highly recommend you watch that. By the way guys, this doesn't work in some countries in the world. I have to tell you that as well. And when you sign up to adwallet.com and go to your dashboard, you can see your referral link as well. So you can refer your friends to this and earn $1 per each referral and earn up to $3 for each video you watch. And that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of this video. Share this video with your mates, like it, comment down below if you have any problems. Thanks for watching.